Welcome to the High Life, innovating homes and elevating lives. Leading the way is Heidi Black, CEO of High Performance Restoration. Ready to level up your home improvement and your life? Follow us and let us know what inspired you. Let's live high and elevate together.
Welcome, everyone. I'm Sophia Yvette, co-host and producer here in the studio with Heidi Black. Heidi, how's it going today?
I'm excited to kick this off with you, Sophia.
Yes, me too. Over the years, I know you've grown a remarkable following. However, some listeners may not be familiar with your full journey. Let's take it from the top. Can you share a little background about your company and what you do?
Yes. Okay. So where to start? I am the primary owner. My husband and I work and operate the company together. I am the CEO. He's the vice president. And we're a certified woman-owned company here, Frisco based. We cover all of North Texas. We do some commercial as well outside of the state of Texas. We started 8 years ago. My husband had a background in construction and I in real estate. We had both worked with teams and love people and just understanding the importance of developing great teams and caring about people. From the beginning, I think that's one of the things that's differentiated us. Even in the name of the podcast, The High Life, that's an acrostic for our core values of honor, innovation, growth, and health. What we found is that as we really care deeply about our team, we see that extend into them caring about our clients. So how we do anything is how we do everything. We really work hard to invest in people. I think that's been one of our big pieces from the beginning. We've grown pretty rapidly here in North Texas. Maybe eventually we'll expand to other parts of Texas, but right now we love what we do here, primarily in the roofing, solar, and windows. Construction is what we're focused on, exterior restoration.
When you're not busy running your business, what do you do for fun?
My husband and I have been married for 24 years. We have 2 teenage boys. So we love to go out to the lake and whether it be as a family or take some of our team members or friends and just go out on the wakeboard boat and relax and turn off the phones or travel a little bit. We like to work hard and play hard. We are also very involved in our church here in the community in Frisco. And I will say my husband and I working together, it's not easy for couples to work together. We were married for 16 years before we started the company, and it's something we were very intentional about. We had come to a place where we really recognized we both bring very different things and we really honored each other's strengths and differences. We continue to work on that and to grow in that. It's challenging, but also very rewarding to work with my husband.
Heidi, you're a very busy person. In your own words, why are you doing this?
Gosh, there are literally thousands of companies similar to ours. I say similar because there's not a high standard in this region to start a construction company or a roofing company. And we saw a need for a company that really cared about people. From a certification standpoint, there's not a license required in the state of Texas, but if there's any certification, any type of licensing, like Roofing Contractor Association of Texas. I carry that license. It's one of the only licenses you can get as a roofing contractor. So setting ourselves apart sometimes can seem tough with literally thousands of companies, but we have a brick and mortar office, W-2 employees. We invest highly in our team. And the reason we do all of those things is to provide a great service to our clients. I think, how we warranty our jobs. It's easy to hear contractors sound the same, that we have integrity and we're good people and we care about people. I think that we just really like what we do is that there's a deeper meaning to that, even why we started the company. I would say it would be easy to work out of a home office and keep things really small and just be my husband and I and have like one guy out in the field and be a one-man team, because there's a lot of that in this area. But why we do what we do is to develop teams to be able to care deeply about our clients, because it's not about us. There's a bigger picture here. When we meet as weekly for our team meetings, we have a declaration that we read. And for the sake of time, I won't do it here. But really part of it is that we are creating a win-win lifestyle of opportunity, growth, and transformation. We really care about the whole individual. So when we talk about honor, innovation, growth, and health as our core values, that's not just health of the physical body. Yes, we care about that. But it's health of the relationship, health of finances, health of the spiritual self, health of really of the entire person. I think that might be something a little bit different than a lot of companies really consider when they're talking about both the team and the client, and how we're leaving people better than we found them and leaving properties better than we found them, really being committed to take things to the finish line. In construction, things happen, because whether it's someone stepping through the ceiling or hitting an AC line because the builder built the AC line too close to the roof line, things happen, but we're going to finish well. We're going to take care of it. We will not leave homeowners high and dry. And there's just a level of care that I think is extended from within to our customers.
Love it, Heidi. We'll catch you in the next episode where we'll dive into some frequently asked questions. Have a fantastic rest of your day.
Awesome. Look forward to it.
Thanks for tuning in to The High Life, where we're innovating homes and elevating lives. Inspired to take action? Call or text us at 469-415-9740 or visit hprtexas.com for 10% off your first service when you mention this podcast. Stay high and keep elevating.